friends, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on circle, area related to circles. So first question, here OACB is the quadrant of circle with center O. OACB is the quadrant of circle. So this is quadrant of circle, OACB, quadrant of circle. So it's a sector with central angle theta equal to 90 degree with radius 7 centimeter. So here radius of this quadrant of circle is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter, and if OD equal to 4 centimeter, OD, this length is 4 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. You have to find the area of this shaded region. Done. So for the quadrant of circle, the central angle theta is 90 degree. So this is right angle, this is right angle, and this one is hypotenuse of right angle triangle. This is AD, which is hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So this one is right angle triangle. So if you want to find the area of this shaded region, what you have to do? You have to find the area of this quadrant of circle, and we have to subtract the area of this right angle triangle. That will be our required area. So we know that for quadrant of circle, for quadrant of circle, central angle theta is always 90 degree, and here radius is 7 centimeter given. So now we can apply the formula. Area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region. This region is nothing but the area of this shaded region is nothing but the area of quadrant of circle. Area of quadrant of circle, area of quadrant of circle minus area of right angle triangle AOD, area of the triangle AOD. Done. Now formula, quadrant of circle with theta equal to 90 degree, it's a pi r square theta by 360 degree. Put theta equal to 90, so we are getting 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of this triangle, right angle triangle, is 1 by 2 into base OA into height OD. Put the values and simplify it. So it's a 1 by 4 pi 22 by 7 r square, radius 7 into 7, minus 1 by 2 into OA 7 into OD, height of the triangle 4. Done. So simplification, 7 cut, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 77 by 2. 77 by 2 is nothing but the 77 by 2 minus 2 2s are 4, 14. अभी इसको डिवाइड कर दो, 34.5 समथिंग होगा. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 38.5. कभी भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो कैलकुलेशन कर देनी है ना, डायरेक्ट कोरिलेट नहीं करना है, कभी कभी होता है कंफ्यूजन. So 38.5 minus 14, so it's a 24.5 centimeter square is the area of shaded region. Clear students? So this is how we can solve this question number 1 for 2 marks. This can be asked for 2 marks. 3 marks question is over here. Question number 2. In this given figure, OACB is square. OACB is this square, this one, OACB OACB is this square. Inscribe in quadrant OPQ, OPBQ. So quadrant of circle OPBQ. So this is point P, OPBQ. This is quadrant of circle. So here OA, that is side of the square, length of the side of the square 20 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. You have to find the area of shaded region. Here we have to take pi when you require equal to 3.14. Length of the one side of the square is 20 centimeter. So area of shaded region is nothing but the area of quadrant of circle minus area of the square. To find the area of the square, side is there, so we can easily find the area of the square. But to find the area of this quadrant of circle, formula is 1/4 pi r square. We require the value of radius. Radius is not given. So here first you have to find the length of r. So this point, or we can say length of OB, is nothing but the radius r of the quadrant of circle, and this r is nothing but the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle OAB, because OABC is square in which all angles are 90 degree. So two sides are there. In square, two sides are equal. So if this OA is 20 centimeter, we can say AB is also 20 centimeter. So these two sides are equal. Right angle triangle is there. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of this OB, that is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, and that OB is nothing but the radius for this quadrant of circle. Clear? So now in triangle OABC is the square. In square all sides are equal, so these two sides are equal, all angles are 90 degrees, so this is right angle. So we can consider this OAB as a right angle triangle, and that's why we are applying Pythagoras theorem, finding the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, and that hypotenuse of right angle triangle is nothing but the radius of this quadrant of the circle. So OB square of hypotenuse is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA 20 square, AB 20 square. So OB square equal to twice of 20 square. So OB equal to 20√2 centimeter is the radius of quadrant of circle, 20√2. So now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of shaded region equal to, ये अलग पार्ट है, area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of quadrant minus area of square. So area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square minus area of square side square. This is equal to 1/4. Here we are given pi equal to 3.14. It's a 314/100 into r square, 20√2 square. It's a 400 into 2, 800 minus 2000 plus 2000 minus side 20. So 0 cut, 4 2s are 8. So this is equal to 628 minus 400. So 628 minus 400 is 228 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down. OAQB is the quadrant of circle. OAQB, this one is quadrant of circle, that means sector with central angle is 90 degree. So here you have to take theta equal to 90 degree. quadrant of circle with center O. C is the midpoint on AB. C is the midpoint on OB. So here CB or OC are the radius of this circle, or OB is the diameter of the, or you can say OB is the radius of the quadrant of the circle. So length of CD is given 7 centimeter. So here you can write a CD equal to OC, and that is equal to BC. Radius of inner circle is 7 centimeter. So here OB equal to twice of BC, because C is the midpoint on OB. So OB equal to twice on BC, and that is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius of quadrant of circle is 14 centimeter, and radius of this inner circle is 7 centimeter. So two circles are there, quadrant of circle and semicircle are there. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So it's a simple, area of shaded region is nothing but the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is nothing but the area of quadrant of circle minus area of semicircle. Area of quadrant minus area of semicircle. So here quadrant of circle, area of quadrant of circle is 1 by 4 pi r square. Consider this radius as a r1 and this radius as a r2 radius. Done. So pi r1 square minus area of semicircle, it's a 1 by 2 pi r2 square. So here you can take this pi common. So pi common, 1 by 4 into r1 square, 14 into 14 minus 1 by 2 r2 square, 7 into 7. Simplify this. So it's a 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, and this is 2 7s are. So 22 upon 7, 7 7s are 49 minus this one is 49 by 2. 49 by 2. Then this one is 49 and this one is 49 by 2. So here what we can do, just simplify this. This is equal to 49 2s are 98 minus 49. So it's again 49 by 2. So 22 by 7 into 49 by 2. 7 7s are 49, 2 11s are 22. So 11 7s are 77 centimeter square. 77 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Clear? So area of the shaded region is 77 centimeter square is the answer. Same question, same logic. Here we have to find the area of shaded region. So shaded region is nothing but the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle, this one. Area of semicircle minus area of this right angle triangle. Area of this right angle triangle is the area of shaded region. So here what we are given, here PQ is 24 centimeter, PR is 7 centimeter. By using Pythagoras theorem we will find the length of this QR, which is nothing but the diameter of circle, and from that we will get the radius of this semicircle. So here right angle triangle. So in triangle PRQ, this is angle subtended in semicircle. So this one is right angle. So we can write QR square. Angle P is 90 degree, and therefore we can write QR square, square of hypotenuse, equal to PR square plus PQ square. PR square is 7 square plus PQ square 24 4 square. So QR square equal to 49 plus 576 equal to 625. So QR square equal to 25 square, and hence we can write QR equal to 25 centimeter. QR equal to 25 centimeter. So radius of the circle is R, which is half of the diameter, 25 by 2 centimeter. 25 by 2 centimeter. Done. So now we can find the area of this semicircle and we can subtract the area of this right angle triangle. So area of shaded region, is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle, area of right angle triangle PRQ. So now area of semicircle 1 by 2 pi r square, 1 by 2 pi r square minus area of right angle triangle 1 by 2 base into height PR into PQ. So this is equal to, simplify, 1 by 2 pi 22 by 7 and R is the radius is 25 by 2. It's a 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. पॉइंट में आंसर आएगा. So 1 by 2 into base into height 7 into 24 for right angle triangle. 84, 12 7s are 84, and here 2 11s are, बस और कुछ नहीं होगा सिंप्लीफिकेशन. So instead of taking this 22 by 7, it will be more easier if you are taking 3.14. Take value of pi as 3.14. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 pi 314 by 100 into 25 by 2, 25 by 2. Done. So here this will be equal to 157 and 12.5. This will be 12.5. So perform multiplication. 157 multiply by 125 multiply by 125 upon 100 into another 100 minus 12 7s are 84. Simplification, and we are getting the answer, final answer as a 4532 है ना, 4523 upon 28 centimeters square. Done. This is your answer. Try yourself and comment your answer. Pause the video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 5. Here chord AB of circle of radius 10 cm makes a right angle at the center of the circle. So circle is given. Chord AB of circle with radius 10 cm is given. This is circle with center O, and chord AB of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle of radius 10 cm. So radius of circle is 10 cm. Makes the right angle at the center. Chord makes the right angle at the center. So this one is nothing but the quadrant of circle. This is nothing but the quadrant of circle. So find the area of the major and minor segment. So minor segment is this one. You have to find the area of this minor segment, and then we can find the area of major segment by subtracting this area of minor segment from the area of the circle. This is our question. So here for the quadrant of circle, theta is 90 degree and the radius of circle is 10 centimeter. So now here we can find the area of segment. Area of segment is nothing but the area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Done. Suppose one point C is over here, so area of segment ACB, area of minor segment, let it right over here. So area of minor segment, ACB equal to area of quadrant, minus area of triangle AOB, This is equal to area of quadrant, it's a 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of triangle AOB. Here chord AB makes right angle, that is 90 degree at the center of circle. So AOB is right angle triangle. So its area is nothing but the 1 by 2 into product of the sides making right angle, OA into OB. These two sides of the triangle AOB makes the right angle. So this is base, this is corresponding height. Put the values. So here we have to take pi equal to 314. So 314 upon 100 into 4 into radius r, 10 into 10, 100, minus 1 by 2 into again 10 into 10, 100. 250 is a 100. This one is 100 cut. 314 by 4, 157 by 2, 157 by 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 7, 2 8s are 16, 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 78.5. 78.5 minus this one is 50. So area of shaded, or we can say area of the minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. We have to find area of minor segment as well as major segment also. What is the area of major segment? Let me write over here. Area of major segment, is equal to, this is the area of major segment, this one. So area of major segment is nothing but the area of circle minus area of this minor segment. So area of major segment is nothing but the area of circle, minus area of minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle pi r square minus area of minor segment that we have derived 28.5 centimeter square. Pi 3.14 by 100 into r, radius 10, 100. So it's a 314 minus 28.5. सो कितना होगा 314 माइनस 28.5. सब्ट्रैक्शन आपको करना है. आई एम डायरेक्टली राइटिंग दी आंसर. सो आंसर इज 285.5 centimeter square. Clear students? So this is how you can find the area of minor segment as well as area of major segment. To find the area of minor segment, first you have to find the area of minor sector. Find the area of minor sector. From the area of minor sector, subtract the area of triangle. Then you will get the area of minor segment. And then to find the area of major segment, you have to find the area of the circle. From the area of the circle, you have to subtract the area of minor segment, so you will get the area of major segment. Clear? This is one of the most important question for the board examination. Pause the video and note it down. Written? Now we'll try to solve this question number 6. Again, very good question. So for this question number 6, a ring is given. Find the area of the shaded region where radii of the two concentric circles two concentric circle means center of the circle is common and two circles are there. So circle with center O and this yellow circumference, as well as circle with center O and this green circumference. Two concentric circles are given. These are the two concentric circles. So in this concentric circle, the radius of inner circle R1 is 7 centimeter and radius of outer circle R2 is 14 centimeter are given, and central angle theta is given 40 degree. So here you have to find the area of shaded region. Shaded region is this one. This one is our shaded region. Done. So what is this shaded region? Area of shaded region is nothing but the area of this ring minus area of this region. ACDB, area of ring minus area of ACDB. विजुअलाइज हो रहा है ACDB. This is our point B, this is our point D, this is A, and this is C, and this is O. So first we have to find the area of the ring. From the area of the ring we have to subtract this area ACDB, so we'll get the area of shaded region. And to find the area of this ACDB we have to find the area of the quadrant, or we can say area of the sector OACD, or we can say OAC, and from it we have to subtract the area of this sector OBD, so we'll get the area of this ACDB. So now first area of ACDB equal to subtraction of area of two sectors OAC minus OBD. Area of OAC, or area of sector OAC minus area of sector OBD. So area of sector OAC is nothing but the pi r square theta by 360. So outer radius is radius R2, so it's a pi r2 square theta by 360 degree minus pi r1 square theta by 360 degree. So here we can take pi common, so pi theta and 360 common, so pi theta 360 common, R2 square minus R1 square. Put the values. Pi 22 by 7, theta is 40 upon 360, R2 square 14 square minus 7 square. So this is equal to 0 cut, 4 9s are 36, so it's a 22 upon 7 into 9. Here this one 14 square minus 7 square, so it's a 14 plus 7, 14 minus 7, so 14 plus 7 is 21. So this is equal to 22 upon 7 into 9 into 21 into 14. 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9. So this is equal to 22 into 14 by 3 centimeter square. This is the area of ACDB. This is the area of ACDB. Now we have to subtract this area ACDB from the area of this ring, so we get the area of this shaded region. Area of shaded region is nothing but the area of this ring, but we have to subtract this area, and this area we have to subtract. So that is 22 into 14 by 3. So now we'll find the area of the ring. So for that I am using this area. ये आपने नोट डाउन कर लिया है. So now how to find the area of the ring? Area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area of the ring equal to area of ring equal to pi outer circle r2 square minus pi r1 square, pi common, so it's a pi r2 square minus r1 square. Putting the value of pi 22/7, r2 square 14 square minus 7 square, so it's a 22/7. again वही कैलकुलेशन आया, so it's a 21 into, एक बार एडिशन एक बार सब्ट्रैक्शन, सो 7 है ना. ये क्या किया, गलत किया था ना यहाँ पर, 14 minus 7, सो इट्स a 7, 14 plus 7, तो ये 7 आएगा, सो 22 into 7 है ना. अच्छा हुआ करेक्शन हो गया. सो 22, सो हियर दिस वन इज 7 कट, so 22 into 21 centimeter square is the area of the ring. So what is the area of shaded region? Area of shaded region is nothing but the subtraction of these two area. This is area of AC dB and this one is area of ring. Area of ring. Done. So what is the subtraction? Subtraction is area of shaded region. So now our third step, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of ring minus area of ring minus area of ACDB. Area of ACDB. So our area of ring is this one, 22 into 21 minus area of ACDB. Area of ACDB is this one, 22 into 7 upon 3. 22 into 7 by 3. So here we can take 22 common. 22 common. So it's a 21 minus 7 by 3. So this is equal to 21. 21 3 is 63. 63 minus 7 by 3. 63 minus 7 is 56. So 22 into 56 by 3. और इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करो और आपका आंसर आएगा फ्रैक्शन में. सो दैट फ्रैक्शन आंसर इज 410.67. 410.67 centimeter square is the area of shaded region. Clear students? This is for the 4 mark question. Pause the video and note it down. Trapezium. ABCD is the trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is the quadrilateral in which both pair of only one pair of opposite side is parallel and the pair of opposite side is AB and DC. So only one pair of opposite side is parallel. So here AB, side AB and side DC are parallel to each other. Remaining two sides are intersect each other if we extend. And measure of angle BCD, this angle, measure of this angle is 60 degree. If BFEC is the sector of circle, BFEC, if BFEC is the sector of circle, so BFEC, one point F is over here, BFEC is the sector of circle, this one, this is the sector of circle. Sector of circle with central angle 60 and radius r equal to 7. Done. So sector theta equal to 60 degree and radius r equal to 7 centimeter. So here BC equal to 7 centimeter and therefore we can write BC is equal to CE. Both are equal and they are equal to 7 centimeter. This will be also 7 centimeter. Sector of circle with center C. This is the center. And AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Both are equal to 7 centimeter. And DE is 4 centimeter. This length D is 4 centimeter. Then find the area of shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So what is the area of shaded region? Area of shaded region nothing but the area of this trapezium minus area of this sector. So first you have to find the area of this trapezium. So formula to find the area of trapezium is sum of two parallel sides and its height. So sum of parallel sides AB and DC both are there, but height of trapezium is not given. So first we'll try to find the height of this trapezium. What is the height of this trapezium? So for that we will draw one perpendicular from here. Let's BM, suppose BM perpendicular to AC. So this is the height of the trapezium. We have to find the height of this trapezium. So for that we will consider right angle triangle BCM. So in triangle BCM, angle M is 90 degree. So here we are using the definition of sin 60, which is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So it's a BM upon hypotenuse 7. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 equal to BM height upon 7, and therefore we will get the height BM that is equal to 7 root 3 by 2 centimeter. Done. BM equal to 7 root 3 by 2 centimeter. So now we can find the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium, find it over here. So area of trapezium, we have to find the area of shaded region. The area of shaded region is nothing but the area of trapezium minus area of this sector. So first we will try to find the area of trapezium. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, sum of length of parallel sides. Parallel sides are AB and CD. So length of AB is 7 centimeter plus length of CD, which is 4 plus 7 11, into perpendicular distance 7 root 3 by 2. 11 plus 2, 18 by 2, 9 7s are 63 root 3 by 2 centimeter square is the area of trapezium. Done. So now area of the sector. Now area of the sector. So area of the sector BFEC, area of the sector BFEC. Sector formula pi r square theta by 360 degree. So here we can take pi 22 by 7. Radius r square, radius is 7 into 7 into theta, center angle 60 upon 360. Simplification, 6 6 are 36, 2 3 are 6, 2 11 are 1 7 cut, 77 by 3. This is equal to 77 by 3 centimeter square. Done. So now area of the shaded region. Third step, we can write area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. So what is the area of shaded region in this figure? Area of trapezium minus area of this sector. Area of trapezium. Name of trapezium is ABCD, है ना. एरिया ऑफ ट्रपेजियम ABCD, ट्रपेजियम का नाम दिया है तो क्यों ना यूज़ करें ABCD. एरिया ऑफ ट्रपेजियम ABCD माइनस एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर का नाम भी दिया है. विच सेक्टर? BFEC. So area of trapezium that we have derived 63 root 3 by 2 minus area of sector BFEC 77 by 3. Done. Put the value of root 3 equal to 1.73, divide it, subtract it, you will get the final answer as 28.89 centimeter square is the final answer. 4 mark question for the board examination. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.